I am a big fan of the written word. I love to write. And I've been writing a few things as we've been talking. And while I don't typically share, I feel called, if you give me permission, to share a few things I've written here. Air is the great invisible connector. It moves through us, between us, around us, carrying breath, sound, spirit. We breathe air to live, each inhale a receiving, each exhale a release. We speak through air, our words shaped by breath, carried on currents of intention. We love through air with sighs, with whispers, with songs, with silence. We die into air, the final breath, a return to the great unseen. We begin in silence, we end in silence, and in between, air holds the music of our lives. Air is the medium of both presence and absence. It's how we give and how we receive. It is the element through which peace can be transmitted and love can be heard, even when we can no longer respond. In this way, air becomes sacred. It is the messenger of the heart, the vessel of the soul, the gentle holder of beginnings and endings. To speak with love, to breathe with awareness, to listen with the heart is to make the invisible visible. And to remember, we are never alone in the air we share.